Welcome. I am your training bot, Amy. In this video, you will see how to deploy DNIF in a proxy environment system. In DNIF, you have a single installer script for deployment. In the terminal, use the export command, with the server IP address, and the port number, to export the proxy, in the server environment. Then, run the installer command, to fetch the install script. The install.sh file has been downloaded, using the wget command. Now, execute the bash install command, to start the DNIF installation. Once the installation has started, the operating system and architecture compatibility will be checked automatically. Then, select a DNIF component, which you would like to install. Enter the proxy server IP address. Your installation will be started for the selected component, in the proxy environment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. But wait, it never ends until Amy tells a joke. One friend says to another, "Tell me those 3 magical words: proxy, attendance, successful." Ha ha ha, that was funny. See you around.